Before we begin this tutorial, be sure to hit the closed captions or subtitles button on this YouTube video. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use colored subtitles or closed captions on your YouTube videos. So stay tuned, hit subscribe, and we'll get straight into it. Okay guys, I've got a sample video here of 4 different creators speaking, and we're going to assign each one of them a different color for our subtitle videos. So what we're going to use is Filmora to generate our SRT file. So this is a subtitle file. You can do this manually, or you can use a program similar to Filmora to get this file. An SRT file, as it says, a subtitle file, you can create them manually in a program called Subtitle Edit. This is free. You can download this off the internet. To manually create your subtitles, you can drag your video into the timeline on Subtitle Edit and write your subtitles out manually in this box over here. On the left-hand side, you have the start time for that text and the duration. This is quite time consuming, so I recommend, if you can, get an automatic program to create your SRT file for you, which is exactly what I'm going to show you now. In Filmora, they have a feature called speech to text, which I'm going to use now in the sample. So I'm going to do the entire timeline sequence in English. You can also translate it to another language, which is very handy. And we're going to have the format as SRT. So we're going to generate that now. Okay guys, so that's finally done. It is this blue bar on top of my video sequence here. If you right click on it and click export to subtitle file, we will have our SRT file. So I'm just going to rename that to sample, and in Subtitle Edit, we're going to drag that file over here. So you're going to see a list of the timings, which is automatically calculated for you, and all of the words. Sometimes you will need to make adjustments to the words, but that's okay. And then what we're going to do is actually add the video as well. So we're going to drag the video into the side. So now we have them corresponding to each other. So let's play through this.
Yeah, it's working.
He's not going to be able to get out.
Oh my God.
That's to the void.
So
but
everyone at the moment has the exact same color. Now on YouTube, I'd like each person to have their own assigned colors. So this is how we do it. We're going to go back to the beginning of the video. So to do that, you just double click on the first word. So where I say, yeah.
Yeah, it's
So
working.
yeah, it's working. I'm holding down control to highlight both. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to click color. Now I've got some predefined colors here. You can just choose whatever color you want. For myself, I'm going to be purple.
He's not going to be able to
And
get
I've got
out.
Meg speaking next. So I'm going to make Meg speak in pink. And then I'm going to make fading arrow blue. And this one here, I know is cyan. I'm going to give him green. And I know that this is also fading pink. So I've got everybody assigned color. So let's start from the beginning, and you're going to have a look to see what this looks like.
Yeah, it's working.
He's not going to be able to get out.
Oh my God.
that's to the void, buddy.
Bro, what is happening? That was the most epic void trap I've...
Okay, so that is done. That is exactly what I'd like to have on YouTube. So let's put it on YouTube so you can see what that looks like. There's a couple of settings you need to change in order to enable colored closed captions on YouTube. Now, to do this, we just have to save the file as save as. Ensure that the file type is EBUSTL. That is extremely important. You're going to have this pop up. What you need to do is change this, the standard code, to level 2 teletext. That is extremely important. Now, I have a bit of an error that comes up for mine saying that the maximum characters per row needs to be 38 for the level 2 teletext. That's fine. Just change it from 40 or whatever number you have predefined there to 38 and click OK. Okay, so here is my video. So I'm going to edit it and I'm going to go into the subtitle menu. If you already have subtitles automatically uploaded by YouTube, you can delete those and click upload file. Now you are going to upload it with timing because we've already set the timing in Subtitle Edit. Click continue and then select the SLT file that you had saved previously. So that's now saved. This is extremely important to note. When you click play in this window, there is no color.
Yeah, it's working.
Don't panic. This is normal. Just click on done. Open up the link to your video. Be sure to enable closed captions. And you will see the colors are now applied with a great little background as well, which is predefined
my
in
God.
YouTube.
That's to the void, buddy.
Bro, what is happening? That was the most epic void trap I've
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you, please leave a comment below and we'll catch you next time.